Sarah longed for a farmer named Bobby. She loved him deeply, but Sarah lived in San Francisco. Bobby lived in Norway. Every day, she thinks about Bobby and feels unsettled. Finally, she decides she must see him to be happy. She flies to Norway and reaches him and brings him back to San Francisco. She spots him at the beach, um, and she wants to run to him, but she hesitates because he is in the bath. She shocked and startled because he wished a beautiful birdie